Hey, it's Zach with Quick Covers. I wanted to let you know that we have a big Black Friday sale that's live right now. If you've seen our products in the past, you know that we make these plastic cab corner covers. We make them for F-150s. We also make them for a lot of the GM trucks and some of the Dodges. This is a paintable plastic cover. If you've got rust on your cab corners, we've also making them for the rockers. Simply treat the rust with a good rust inhibitor to keep it from spreading. Paint the cover to match. It goes right on over the top. And that's our painted version. Now, if you saw us at SEMA this year, or if you saw some of our videos, you saw that we released a new version. This is a black textured finish on this plastic. So if you don't want to mess around with paint, if you're not good at that, if you just don't want to deal with it, or you kind of want that rugged look, we do have the black textured available now. It's kind of that bed liner type rough textured material. And this side is just a cab corner. But what do we got here? $100. So if you've heard about our products before and you held off, maybe due to price, if you've got a truck that's rusty and you want to make it look better and you don't want to spend a lot of money, we're only going to do this sale once a year. It's live right now, oamusa.com. Click on Quick Covers, find the application for your truck, go to checkout. This credit is automatically applied. There's no coupon code or anything. It automatically credits you $100 for every set you buy. So one set, $100 off. Two sets, $200 off. It's $100 off every set. Sale is live now. Check it out.